Good morning, students. Myself Rohit sir, and today we are just going to start our new chapter of PA2, the chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Okay, so in this chapter we have to just compare the quantities, or we just find the profit and loss, discount, GST, and many other thing. Okay, so now is in the comparing quantity, we have to just compare the quantity according to their length, breadth, and rupees, and with the different questions. Okay, so now let us first try to solve this following. Express each of the following as a directed. Okay, we have to just solve out the following things. The first, express each of the following as a directed. So what we have to do, 0.25 equals to how many percentage? 0.25 equals to how many percentage? So what we have to do, simply is a 25 upon 100 and multiply by 100. This 100 for decimals, the decimals is there, and this 100 for the percentage sign. So 100 and 100 is cut. Our final answer is 25%. Okay, so in this way we have to solve our first question. So it's a simple thing. When there is a no sign of percentage, or if we have to find the percentage, then we have to multiply by 100. Okay, what we have to do, we have to just multiply by 100. Okay, when we have to find out the percentage, what we have to do, we have to simply multiply the number with 100. So we get the percentage of that number. Now in the second question, 10% of a 50 meter. Now off means the multiply. Now how we can solve this? See here, 10 percentage means divide by 100, multiply by 50. Now when there is a percentage sign, we have to divide by 100. Okay, or when we have to find the percentage, we have to multiply 100. It's two different things. When we have to find the percentage, then we have to multiply by 100, or when the percentage sign is given, we have to divide by 100. Now what? 0, 0, 0 and 0 is cut. What's our answer? Is 5. So 10% of 50 is what? Is simply 5. Okay, these are the simple quantities. 50 meter, 800 rupees, 500 apples, 240 students. So in this simple way, we have to find out the values. Now see, 75% of 240 students. So what we have to do? 75 percentage sign is there, so I have to divide by 100. Now multiply by 240. 1010, cut 5. Just wait. Now now 75, 0 and 10. Now 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100. This is a simple calculation. Now 4 1s are 4 60s are. Now 3 into 60, 3 into 60 is 180. So 75% of 240 students are 180. Okay, so when percentage sign is given, we have to divide by 100, and we have to find out the percentage, then we have to multiply by 100. Okay, now the next, percentage and its applications. Now percentage of a number, what's the percentage of a number? So percentage of a number means this, p upon 100 multiplied by b, a number. See here, when 60% of 75, so 16% means 16 divided by 100. As I told you, if a percentage sign is given, we have to divide by 100. So 16 divided by 100 into 75. Of means multiplication. Of means multiplication. Now we get the answer 12. 120% of 8 liter. 120% of 8 liter means 120 upon 100 multiplied by 8. Our answer is 9.6. Okay, this is the same way we have to find all the other things. When percentage sign is given, what should we have to do? We have to divide by 100 or means of equals to multiply. Okay, now see, decrease or increase in the percentage. How many percentage increase, how many percentage decrease? We can see now, this year this much amount of rain decrease, this much amount of rain increase, or we have find that this year this much amount of wheat we grow more, or this much amount of rice we get less. So the percentage of change of percentage, how we find out? So see, percentage increase or decrease means change in the value, whether it is an increase form or it is a decrease form. Suppose original value is 100. Just wait. Suppose the original value is 100. After 1 month, its price is 120. Its price is 120. So it's an increase in the value. So what we have to do? Change in value. How much change are there? 20 rupees change are there. So what we have to do? We have to do 20 upon original value, that is 100, multiply by 100 percentage. Okay, so 100 cut. How much percentage increase the value? 20 percentage. 20 percentage value is increased. Okay, or if instead of increase there is a decrease, suppose 100 rupees thing are there, it costs, its cost 70. So how many 75? So how many decrement are there? Is a total 25 rupees decrement is there. So what we have to do? Change in value, that is 25, not minus 25. Okay, we have to just write a value of change value, not in the minus. The change value is 25 upon the original value is 100 and multiplication by percentage 100. So 100 cut. Our answer is 25%. The value of that particular product is decreased. Okay. So in the same way, see the illustration. If a price of 1 kg apple increase from 60 to 75, first the price of 1 kg apple is 60, then it increased to 75. Then the increase in the price equals to what? 75 minus 60 equals to 15. Okay. So express this as a percentage. What we have to do? The change value, original price, that is 60 multiplied by 100. The answer is 25%. 25%. The value of the rate, the rate of the apple, 1 kg apple is increase. Okay. In the same way, what we have to do for the minus? If suppose instead of this 60, here is a 55, not 75, 55. So there is a decrement in the rate of 1 kg apple. So how many change are there? 5 rupees change is there. So what I do? 5 upon 60 multiply by 100. 1010 cut. 5 tens are 50, divide by 6, 3 and 25. So what's our answer? 25 upon 3 percentage. This much of percentage, the rate of a 1 kg apple is decreased if the rate is 55 instead of 75. So what we have to do? Simply 60 minus 55. 5 rupees loss is there, so 5 upon 60 multiplied by 100. Okay, this is the change, increase and the increase or the decrease in the percentage or a change in the values. Now for the next, in illustration 3rd, see, a fruit seller had some orange. He sells 40% orange and still has a 180 orange. Okay, how many percentage he sell? 40% he sell, and how many he has? 180 orange he has. Now see, in 100 percentage, 40 percentage he sold out. So how much percentage he have left? He has 60 percentage left. Now 60 percentage of total orange equals to what? 180. Why? क्योंकि उसके पास 180 ऑरेंज अभी भी बचे हुए हैं. So how much percentage orange is left with him? 60 percentage. So suppose original he had X orange. Originally he had X orange. 100 minus 40. Why 100 minus 40? Because 100 minus 40 is 60, which is the left out orange quantity. Left out orange quantity. 60% उसके पास बचे. So 60% of 100, 60% of X. Now of means multiply. So X is there, this is the X, not multiply. Okay, so 60 upon 100 into X equals to 180. Now cross multiplies, 100 moves to upside, 60 moves to downside. Our final answer is 300. So thus the fruit seller originally had 300 orange. Okay, this is the decrement of this is the way of to find out the quantities by percentage. Okay, when we have given more value, so is that increment in percentage. When we have a less value, then we have a decrement in the percentage. Okay, so now what we have to do? Simply, when there is a number is there or we have to convert into percentage, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 100. Or when the value is with percentage, then what we have to do? We have to simply divide by 100. Okay, this is the basic form of percentage. Thank you. In the next video, we are just going to move for the another topic, loss and profit. Have a good day.